What's up, YouTubers and YouTubies? How you guys doing? Welcome back, guys. 2018 came and went, you know? It's 2019 already. January 13th, 2019. And a year ago today, I started this YouTube channel. And it's not too bad, you know? It's a hobby. I'm not looking to blow up this channel or anything. You know, like there's other YouTubers out there that they got a million or more subscribers. Once you get 100,000 subscribers, you know, you get that plaque from YouTube. You know what's funny though, that I don't think I'm ever gonna reach 100,000, but I don't mind. It doesn't bother me. I just like helping people out, helping my students out. I give my YouTube channel to my students. I give my channel to in the 5-hour class. You know, I let people know about it. I you know, just let them know what my YouTube channel is about in the 5-hour class to the students, so that way they know that what is it gonna take to pass the road test. And I go through the breakdown and all that, how they score you on the road test, all that stuff. I want to thank I want to thank every single subscriber, every single one of you guys that subscribe to my channel. I do have some YouTubers that did subscribe. John Philax, I think Toya TL or Toya AT, I can't remember. I'm sorry. G Toger or GT Ogre. He has a YouTube channel on tow trucks. You know, people getting towed. Excellent video. I like the drum beats. John Philax, interesting videos. You know, he calls out the bad cops and all that, you know. They're breaking the rules and all that stuff. If I missed a YouTuber that's subscribed to my channel, I apologize. I know another one that just started a YouTube channel, Handy Hudsonite, I think it is. He got great videos, so go check him out, guys, if you want to learn any do-it-yourself stuff. He got a great YouTube channel too. And I'm sure that he's gonna pass me in the subscriber. You know, I'm talking about the subscribers, you know, following him and all that stuff. So, but that's good though. You know, you do what you gotta do. You know, if you keep consistent, you know, if you're consistent in uploading videos and all that, your channel will grow even faster, I believe. You know, especially if they're good videos and your editing skills, thumbnails, all that stuff. Watch this magic trick. Alright, I'm back in my car. Things that YouTubers do, they cover up the camera, and when they uncover it, they're somewhere else. That's so funny. I figured I'd do that too, you know. Yeah, so let's see. I am in my car right now, and in the last video, or in the video that you guys just saw, I was thanking YouTubers that subscribe to my channel. Toya ATL, she makes videos on the rideshare program that she's in, like Uber, Lyft. She, you know, works for, you know, little side hustle jobs that she has. I think she also did Shipt and Instacart. So if you guys get your license, you know, you want to do some, since you're gonna be driving, you could drive for a living, you know, do a little side hustle and get some money that way. John Philax, you know, don't mess with that. Don't mess with John Philax. If you're a cop and you're a bad cop, don't mess with John Philax, I'm telling you. Hey John, if you're watching my video, you should get one of these cameras. Right now I'm recording in front, you know, outside in the cabin. It works out pretty good, you know, that way your viewers, your subscribers can see you guys messing around in the car or whatever, you know. So this video is not going to be too long. Like I said, I do have other videos in the computer, but I have to edit them. It just takes time to edit them. Once I get that done, I'll be uploading them. Some of the short videos that I have, I will upload those. You know, I think I'll work on those faster than the longer ones. Be safe, guys. Take it easy. Later. Bam.